If you are looking for an AI-powered writing assistant to improve your content, you have probably come across QuillBot. But is it actually worth using in 2026? In this video, I will quickly cover QuillBot's main features, pricing, pros and cons, and whether it's the right tool for you. What is QuillBot? QuillBot is an AI writing tool designed to help users rewrite, improve, and refine text. It's commonly used by students, content creators, marketers, professionals, and anyone who wants clearer and more polished writing. The platform is available through a web app, browser extensions, and integrations with tools like Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Key features. One of QuillBot's biggest strengths is its paraphraser. It can rewrite sentences while maintaining the original meaning, making content more concise, formal, or creative depending on the selected mode. Another useful feature is the grammar checker, which helps identify spelling, grammar, and punctuation mistakes. QuillBot also includes a summarizer that can turn long articles, reports, or documents into shorter summaries, saving time when reviewing information. There is also an AI detector, citation generator, and translator, making it a fairly complete toolkit for writing and research tasks. Performance. In everyday use, QuillBot performs well for improving readability and rewarding content. The paraphrasing results are usually natural and easy to understand. However, like most AI tools, it is not perfect. Sometimes you will need to manually edit the output, especially when working with technical topics or content that requires a specific tone. Pricing. QuillBot offers a free plan with limited usage and features. For users who need higher limits, premium writing modes, and advanced tools, there is a paid subscription available through monthly, semi annual, or annual plans. For most casual users, the free version is enough to test the platform before upgrading. Pros and cons. Pros: easy to use, excellent paraphrasing tool, useful grammar and summarization features, works with Google Docs and Microsoft Word, free plan available. Cons: advanced features require a premium subscription, output may still need manual editing, AI generated rewrites can occasionally sound repetitive. Final verdict. Overall, QuillBot remains one of the best AI writing assistants available in 2026. Its paraphrasing, grammar correction, and summarization tools make it useful for students, professionals, and content creators alike. If your goal is to improve writing quality and save time, QuillBot is definitely worth trying, especially since you can start with the free version before deciding whether to upgrade. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tool reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching and goodbye.